Take command of the road in the 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 5,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. It includes heated seats, skid plates, a bed liner, and power front seats. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.